Welcome back. I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible because I am a little sick. Um, just a cold, but my voice isn't working too well. So anyway, we are in Unit 2, Session 4 this week. We are going to be looking more at character response. So one thing to note about this week is that it is a 3-day week. We have a student non-contact day on Thursday, October 15th, and fall break on Friday, October 16th. What that means is I am not going to be available to you on Thursday or Friday because Thursday is a teacher work day, and then Friday is everyone in the district has off, including my family. So we are going to have a family day that day. So if you have any questions about anything going on this week, please make sure that you get it to me by Wednesday at the end of the day. That's also when I've made your due date. You can, of course, choose to work until Sunday without penalty. But if you have the option to have a 4-day weekend, you should take that option. So come over to fall semester, Unit 2, all the way down here to Session 4. We are going to be reading a story called 11 this week. It is about a young girl turning 11. She just turned 11. And just a couple of things to know about this is that you are going to be looking directly at this character and deciding how she responds to the conflict mainly. Is she a child? Is she a tween? Is she both? You get to decide. You guys will be discussing the conflict, and then you're going to be trying out this new thing called found poetry. I want you to watch both of these videos. It's going to be really important for you to know what found poetry is. Please follow these directions. And then on the next page, please, this is where you'll submit it. Please take a look at the rubric. When I started this activity last year, I had to send a lot of them back because they weren't completed correctly. So please take a look at the rubric. Please take a look at those 2 videos on the previous page. And please let me know if you have any questions. That's it for this week. Really short, simple week. I hope it's a great one, and I hope you enjoy 11.